If your kitchen has any of these, buyers might be cringing before they even reach the living room. Number 1. Butcher block counters. Rustic, yes. Practical, no. Buyers see high maintenance and water damage waiting to happen. Unless it's a small chopping section, it's a deal breaker. Number 2. Mismatched appliances. Stainless steel dishwasher next to a white fridge. Buyers see an expensive project. They want a cohesive modern look, not a patchwork of styles. Number 3. Older appliances. If your appliances look like straight out of a 90s sitcom, buyers assume they'll need replacing fast. Even if they work, they scream extra expense. Number 4. Fluorescent lighting. Harsh, outdated, and uninviting. Buyers prefer warm, layered lighting, recessed LEDs, pendant lights, and under cabinet glow-ups. Number 5. Oak cabinets. Once a 90s staple, now a style setback. Heavy grains and dated tones make kitchens feel smaller and older. Buyers want light, neutral colors with sleek storage. Number 6. Overly thematic designs. That beachy, nautical kitchen might be your favorite, but buyers see a renovation project. They prefer a blank canvas where they can picture their own style. So, what gives you the ick? Real estate selling or buying questions? Call text 954-895-0285. Hope to talk soon.